How to apply percentage on Microsoft Excel. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can apply percentage formula in Microsoft Excel. Applying percentage in Microsoft Excel can be done in different ways depending on what exactly you want to achieve. Now first of all, open your Microsoft Excel and be ready with your data. Now once you have made your data ready, now select the cells where you want to add the percentage. Right click on the cell and from the menu click on this Format Cells. You can also press Ctrl+1 to open this Format Cells dialog box. Now once you have opened this Format Cells dialog box, here at the left from this category select percentage. After selecting percentage, now click on this OK button. Now enter your formula in a cell. Press equal sign, select the number like D7 and enter the slash sign or the divided by sign. Then select the total number. Now press enter and then there you will find the percentage. Now you can just drag it to the right side to fill up in all these empty boxes. And there you go, you have successfully applied percentage formula in Microsoft Excel. So I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.